Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at past question papers on BECE. So get your written materials ready with your calculators. We'll be right back. A rope of 488.6 meter long is divided into equal pieces of 1.4 meter. How many pieces are obtained? Now, in order to calculate how many pieces are obtained from the rope, we are going to do, now since our total length of rope equals to 488.6 meter, and it was cut, piece per cut, it was cut into 1.4 meter. Now, how many of 1.4 can we get from this? So we simply do 488.6 divided by 1.4, which will give us 488.6 divided by 1.4 will give us 349 pieces. 349 pieces were obtained. It says simplify 5 over 9 divided by bracket open 1 3 over 8 minus 1 over 3. Now in doing this, we'll first of all work with what's in the bracket. First, in our bracket, we have to convert this mixed number to improper fraction. Now this will give us 5 over 9 divided by 8 times 1, 8, plus 3, 11, 11 over 3, minus 1, 11 over 8, sorry, minus 1 over 3. Okay, now we will now find what's our LCM for 8 and 3. Our LCM for 8 and 3 will be 24. So this will give us 24. 8 here, 3. 3 times 11, 33. Minus 3 here, 8. 8 times 1, 8. Okay, 5 over 9 divided by this. So 33 minus 8. 33 minus 8 will give us 25. This becomes 5 over 9 equals to, and divided by 25 over 24. Alright, now at this point, we do the reciprocal of 25 over 24 to turn this division sign to multiplication. That will give us 5 over 9 times 24 over 25. Okay, we can now cancel out 5 here 1, 5 here 5, 3 here 3, 3 here 8. Okay, so this leaves us with 8 times 1, 8 over 5 times 3, 15. A circle of radius 15 cm has a chord 24 cm long. Calculate the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. Now, in order to do this, we have to draw a circle. Let's draw a circle and interpret the statement. If this is a circle, now they said the radius. What's the radius? A radius is the distance from the center, a line drawn from the center of a circle to any part of the circumference. So from our center of circle here to any part of the circumference forms our radius. As I said, is 15 centimeter. Okay, now a chord. What's a chord? A chord is a line that touches the two ends of a circumference without passing through the center. Okay, now a chord is in the line that is drawn from one end to another end of your circle without passing through the center. If it passes through the center, then it's referred to as diameter. But if it doesn't pass through the center, then it's referred to as a chord. Alright, now having said that, let's look at interpreting this in our circle. Now, since our radius can be drawn to any end of our circumference, we can redraw this to be 15 cm. 15 cm. Now with this, we formed a triangle. Alright, and they told us that the length of chord is 24 cm. So our length of chord is 24 cm. So this will become 24 cm. But now, we know that if we divide this, a line, since we are looking for the distance of the chord from the center of the circle, okay? So this becomes a Pythagoras theorem where we'll have a triangle this way. This is our center of circle, this is our x, this is our radius 15. Now this line bisects this chord into two equal parts, making here to be 12 cm. Now we have two parts, we have the 12 cm and the 15 cm. Now we know that 15 is our hypotenuse, this is our adjacent, and this is our opposite. Okay, now we can now turn this around to say that hypotenuse squared using Pythagoras theorem equals to opposite squared minus adjacent squared. So our hypotenuse is 15 equals to x squared minus plus 12 squared. So our 15 squared would give us 225 equals x squared plus 144. So x squared equals 225 minus 144. Okay, now x squared would give us 81. X squared equals 81. So take square root of both sides. X equals root 81, which means x equals 9 centimeter. If you've enjoyed our lecture so far, click on your notification button to get more updates. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. You can follow us also on Facebook at Mathematics Simplified and on YouTube at Mathematics Simplified. The next question says, express 110,111 base 2 to base 10. Now in doing this, we'll use what we call the expansion method. This will become 1 times 2. First of all, we will label 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1 times 2 raised to the power 5 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. Okay, now we are going to expand all this. Now, 1 times 2 raised to the power 5 we know is 1 times 32. 2 raised to the power 5 will give us 32. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. So that will be 32. Now, 1 times 2 raised to the power 4 will give us 16. Plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 3, which is 8, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2, which is 4, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1, which is 2, plus anything raised to power 0 mathematically is 1. Okay, don't forget, anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So 2 raised to power 0 will be 1. So this will be 1 times 1. Now 32 times 1 will give us 32, plus 16, plus 8 times 0, 0, plus 4, plus 2, and plus 1. Now adding this up, this and this will give us this, okay, this plus this, 16 plus 4 will give us 20, 20 plus 32 will give us 20, plus 32 will give us 52, plus a 2 will give us 54, plus 1 will give us 55. So our answer will become 55 base 10. How many sides has a regular polygon whose sum of interior angles is 540 degrees? Now we know that for sum of interior angles, sum of interior angles, we have our formula as n minus 2 bracket 180 degrees. Okay, now at this moment we are looking for the value of n. All right, so we can, since we are given the sum of our interior angles as 540, this will become 540 equals to, opening this bracket, 180n minus 360. Okay, now next thing we are going to do, we are going to collect our like terms. These two are common, all right, they are without an n, so we'll move 360 over to this other side, that is add 360 to both sides. This will become 540 plus 360 equals to 180n. Okay, now 540 plus 360, 0 plus 0 will give us a 0, 6 plus 4 will give us a 10 rather than 0, carry 1, 8 plus 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9, so 900 equals to 180n. So our n will become 900 divided by 180, and 900 divided by 180 will give us a 5. Okay, so the value of n will be 5. So we've come to the end of today's tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the notification button for more updates on our Junior WAEC questions. And also follow us on our Facebook page at Mathematics Simplified.